Imagine building a living copy of a factory, not with bricks, but with data and code. This isn't just a 3D model, it's a dynamic, virtual mirror of the real thing. The digital twin is constantly updated by streams of data from sensors on the factory floor. Every movement and change in the real world is instantly reflected in its digital counterpart. By combining real-time data with AI, the twin can simulate what-if scenarios and predict problems before they happen. With digital twins, we can understand, control, and perfect the complex dance of modern manufacturing. This is the future of industry: intelligent, connected, and always one step ahead. For decades, manufacturing innovation meant building physical prototypes, slow, expensive, and wasteful. Every new idea required new materials, machine time, and labor, creating bottlenecks for progress. Testing 10 designs meant building 10 separate objects, each iteration consuming resources and time. Changing a production line was a massive, risky undertaking, often shutting down operations for weeks. Now digital twins have rewritten the rules. Engineers start with a virtual prototype, a fully functional, physics-aware model. They can test thousands of designs in hours, tweaking materials and shapes with a few clicks. Virtual simulations replace physical trial and error, unleashing creativity and accelerating innovation. The conversation now happens at the speed of data, not the speed of machining. Radical ideas can be explored without fear of costly failure. The best design isn't just what works first, it's what's perfected through thousands of virtual tests. This is the difference between building to test and testing to build. Digital twins have transformed manufacturing into a rapid, creative, and efficient process. The future belongs to those who innovate virtually before building physically. On the factory floor, every minute counts. Mistakes are costly. In the past, even small changes meant risky, slow, and expensive physical tests. A single coding error could cause robots to collide, damaging equipment and halting production. Digital twins turn this risk into a safe, virtual rehearsal. Engineers program and test new processes in the digital twin, running thousands of simulations in hours. AI flags potential collisions and bottlenecks, optimizing the process before it ever touches the real world. Virtual crashes cost nothing, and simulations reset in seconds. By the time new programming reaches the factory, it's already proven to work. The switchover is seamless. No surprises, no downtime. Digital twins also revolutionize training workers practice on virtual machines, learning procedures and emergency responses safely. They build confidence and skill without risking equipment or safety. The result? Faster innovation, safer operations, and a more skilled workforce. The digital twin is the ultimate proving ground for ideas and people alike. Digital twins are transforming industries across the UK and US. In automotive, companies like Lucid Motors design and test electric vehicles virtually, no endless prototypes needed. Aerospace engineers at Wichita State University create digital replicas of aircraft, simulating stress and software for safer certification. The Bell Group uses digital twins to develop new non-dairy cheeses, simulating texture and taste. In defense, digital twins let the US military test new systems in virtual combat scenarios. Across industries, digital twins accelerate design, improve safety, and drive innovation. The future of industry is being built in the virtual world, today. A digital twin is powered by three forces: sensors, supercomputers, and artificial intelligence. Sensors act as the system's senses, gathering real-time data from every machine: temperature, vibration, speed, and more. Modern sensors are smaller, faster, and more connected, streaming massive data wirelessly across the factory. High-performance computing, often using GPUs, processes this torrent of information, running complex simulations faster than reality. This enables real-time analysis and predictive modeling. The real magic comes from AI, which turns raw data into actionable insight. AI algorithms spot patterns invisible to humans, predicting failures before they happen. Advanced models like LSTMs detect anomalies and learn what normal looks like, flagging issues instantly. Edge AI brings intelligence directly to the machines, allowing robots to analyze data and adjust actions on the fly. No need to wait for cloud servers. Decisions happen in real time, right on the factory floor. The result: a faster, smarter, and more autonomous manufacturing environment. Machines can now optimize their own performance, working together seamlessly. This is the new paradigm. Factories that think, adapt, and improve themselves. Building digital twins at scale requires unprecedented collaboration. Tech and industrial giants are joining forces, merging expertise in software, hardware, and manufacturing. A landmark partnership, NVIDIA and Dassault Systems combining AI, accelerated computing and advanced virtual twin platforms. Dassault's Simulia provides the modeling environment. NVIDIA's Omniverse and AI physics make it come alive in real time. Engineers can now see the physical consequences of design changes instantly. Hardware makers like Advantech build rugged edge AI platforms for the factory floor, while Bosch Rexroth designs robots optimized for digital twin control. Open standards like OpenUSD ensure different systems can communicate and work together. This collaborative ecosystem lets a UK carmaker integrate German robots and US AI seamlessly. It's not just about proprietary products. It's about building a shared foundation for the future. Only by working together can industry unlock the full power of digital twins. The future of manufacturing is a team effort. The digital twin revolution is on display at major global events, accelerating progress and collaboration. In Seoul, the Smart Factory and Automation World Conference drew 80,000 visitors, showcasing real-world autonomous factories and AI-driven production. South Korea's national push for 12,000 smart factories by 2030 is attracting global innovators. Attendees saw advanced sensors, edge AI, and collaborative robots orchestrated by digital twin platforms, a living blueprint of the future. In the US, NVIDIA's GTC conference focused on industrial AI, with practical sessions on building and running digital twins. Dassault Systems leaders shared how their platforms, powered by NVIDIA, are transforming industries, from aerospace to life sciences. The conversation has shifted from hype to real-world impact. At the Potomac Officers Club's AI Summit, U.S. government and defense leaders discussed using digital twins to strengthen national security. The focus, moving from what if to how to. These events are more than trade shows. They're where the next industrial revolution is being mapped out. The future is being built, debated, and accelerated on the global stage. The digital twin is now the brain and nervous system of the autonomous factory. We're moving from digital transformation, analyzing data in the cloud, to autonomous transformation, where machines make real-time decisions on the floor. The autonomous factory has 3 layers: edge, network, and digital twin platform. At the edge, sensors and AI make instant decisions, like a robot adjusting its grip based on real-time camera data. The industrial network connects every machine, ensuring perfect coordination and flow. This network lets smart machines function as a single, efficient organism. At the top, the digital twin platform oversees everything, running simulations to optimize the whole system. It finds opportunities, like reordering production to save energy, and sends instructions back to the floor. This creates a closed loop of continuous improvement. The factory is no longer just automated, it's self-optimizing and adaptive. Machines perceive, reason, and act, working together for maximum efficiency. The result: factories that learn, adapt, and improve on their own. This is the dawn of truly autonomous manufacturing. For the UK and US, leading in manufacturing means producing smarter, not just more. Digital twins and autonomous factories give these nations a decisive edge: faster, safer, and more powerful innovation. Companies can respond to market demands faster and set new standards for quality and performance. This is about leadership, pioneering digital twins, edge AI, and autonomous systems to define the future of manufacturing. The future belongs to the innovators.